Today I'm going to do my review of the IKEA KLOCKis, whatever you want to call this thing. What it is it's actually a combination of an alarm clock, a timer, a thermometer, and a clock. It runs off of two AAA batteries. And here I'll even use IKEA branded batteries, just because reasons. And let me put the thing back in. As we can see, when you move it around, it changes. Now if you want to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa, all you have to do is push this up arrow button, and we switched now to Fahrenheit. Now to set the time, there's a set button on the back. I'm going to press the set button. And then we're going to press our up arrow button. I think it's about 11:50. Okay, we'll go with that. Press the up arrow again. And one more time. I'm going to pick probably a better date to do this on. And then we can set our year. As you can see, it's a really simple little device, but it's actually very handy. I use one of these in my garage just so I have a clock and a thermometer, because it can get either really cold or really hot out there. And there's no climate control when I'm doing my projects out there. Or if I need to time something, it's very handy to have that little timer. Because if you need to time the setting time of some glue, or do some cooking with it, or whatever you're looking to do. I keep one by my bedside because I've got an alarm clock, although I usually just use my cell phone. But anyway, very useful little device. They're about $5 at IKEA, and definitely worth picking up the next time you go down there. So till next time, have a good day.